So here's how we can check the RAM being used on your Android phone. And let me show you how you can proceed and check that out. If this is your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss anything. So all you have to do is to open up your settings app as usual, and you want to find the section which is called the device care. And part of this, you get to manage your current battery level as well as the storage situation. But the option below, or the menu right here, is the RAM, and it's called memory because it's like the local memory. It's not the storage for storing device files long term, but it's for the immediate usage for apps. So that's the point of RAM, and you can see in real time how much is being taken up. You can see the current capacity of my RAM, and I can even free up some of the apps which are currently taking up that piece of the RAM, so I can basically clean it all with a click of a button, or I can select a few and clean those. So it is up to me to decide, right? There are some things which you can also manage in here, like the RAM Plus, which is also using your phone's storage space to provide virtual memory, which is something, or like a little way to expand the RAM if you are using some very intensive features. Or you can as well see the memory resident apps, which are those which run in the background all the time, and sometimes you need to kind of like manage those in here if you feel like you're running out of the RAM. So I hope it helps. I just wanted to explain it the way that it functions and works. If you found this video helpful, let me know about that, or hit the thumbs up, and I'll hopefully see you in the future uploads and videos as well.